So whenever we're evaluating some kind of statistical claim, it's so important that we get really dialed in on the exact demographic of that sample that's in question. So for example, they studied a large random sample of first year Spanish majors. So it's got to be based on first year Spanish majors. So right away, I can start eliminating answers that don't line up with that. Option A talks about any college student, doesn't even talk about Spanish or first year, so we could eliminate it. Option B does say Spanish, but it says any Spanish major. But we know that the study was done of first year Spanish majors, so we eliminate B. Option C does say first year Spanish majors, and then option D talks about first year Spanish majors. So at least we've given ourselves a 50-50 chance at this point. Okay, let's continue. So they found on average, students who use the app received higher grades in their Spanish class than students who did not. So what kind of conclusion can we make? Well, a key other component that we're going to look at, obviously it was getting very clear on the exact demographic, but the other thing is this concept that correlation does not mean causation. Get really used to that phrase. It's really key. So just because we see a correlation does not mean that the cause of that correlation was, in this case, let's say using the app. We wouldn't be able to say that using the app is the cause of it. We could say that there's an association. However, the effect of the app is unclear. In other words, we can't necessarily say that the cause is from it. So that makes the correct answer D.